Hello everyone, I am Maghendra Singh. On behalf of SAG Infotech, I would like to take you through a brief introduction of our softwares. Our company SAG Infotech designs softwares for CACS and professionals. And today we will discuss about the software which is the Smart Bill software. Smart Bill software is basically a professional billing software through which you can generate n number of and different type of bills with the software. I show you how. First, when you install the software, this whole screen will be appear where you have to mention the username and the password, which is a admin, ADMIN. When you click on login, this whole sheet will be appear. Now, what you have to do? Now you have when you look this few options are hidden now. For this one purpose, first you have to create your company. So just click on company. Just mention the detail like name of your company. For example, I've already mentioned SAG. Then contact person name. For example, I mentioned my name, and then some other details like designation or registration number of your particular company, from which one year it was established, and other basic details. Then click on save, and through this way you can add your basic company. Company will successfully created. Exit, then click on select company, because with the software you can create n number of companies. So just select one company at one time. Click on select. Now look, all options will be appear. Okay, then when your company is created, go for the next option, which is a master. Here you have to add the all basic details one by one. Basic details related for your basic master of generating your bill. First one option, which is a client details. Here you have to mention your basic clients regarding details like party name. For example, because I know show you the demo, so I mentioned demo. Otherwise, I just write down the party name, which is AMAY. Am I? Particular bill group, or if they belong to some group, so just click on insert. When you click on insert tab, then this whole screen will be appear where you have to mention your group name, other details, and generate your particular group. Just mention the code, and then if you have some other details like contact person name, other basic details, and make sure there is a option, one check mark is there. So when you click on this one check mark, it means that whenever this one company open, this one party will automatically there at the time when you generate your bills. So make sure always stick on this one check mark for selecting, or as we say, that kind of a mapping with the company and company with the particular party. I click on save, so my one of master is generated. Now exit from this one option and then go for the master again. You can use add your bank details. Okay, bank details. Then after this there is an option import customer details. In customer details, what you can do, if you have a data in Excel or you using already our Genius software, TDS or service type, then you can import your data through these formats. What you have to do, just click on view format, download our particular format, which is like this, enter the details in this one format, and then import this by using this one import tab. So through this way your whole data which is belong to these given import forms are automatically imported in this one software. Or if you have some billing directly in Genius, then you can directly connect it with the server of your Genius and import your complete data without any import some files or export some files. Again, go for the master. Here is a particular option, service tax rate master or TDS rate master. Service tax rate master means if if service tax is, will be applicable or currently applicable on your particular services, then add your particular tax rate. Or if TDS is also follow, then add your TDS as well. Or if you calculate that, just click on this one amount. For example, I click on new. I just mention the date or mention the rate. Take on this one calculated that Whenever I check out the particular amount or bill, then cal- uh, calculate on amount plus service tax on this one TDS. This is, if you tick on this one option, then it will applicable. So after this, next one option, which is a service group. By using service group, what you can do here, we give you the list of n number of services. So you can select that which type of services you, exactly follow. For example, I already select one of some company or select some services like I select which one. Okay, credit rating agency. I select this one option, double click on it, and then tick on this one company. It means that this one particular group or this one particular service related with this one particular company. It's same, I already told you, kind of a mapping that whenever I doing a billing or something, it will automatically come. Okay, go for the master again, go for the services. Here you have to mention that what exactly services will be applicable. For example, I select two type of services, cost accounting or credit accounting. If I select credit accounting, just mention the services name. So for I just mention that I doing IT, no, I doing TDS filing or audit work. I just mentioned one service name, allies. Allies mean a kind of a short form, AK, and then you have to mention the other basic details. Then click on save. So through this way you can add your basic master. And I click on OK, it will select it. Click on master again. Here you have to mention a particular master. Particular master means when I click on new, so if I mention that I doing audit filing, so on which one date I am starting this one work, I just mention FLK and mention the date, that on the date, for example, I started this one work on month 4, then particular 2012. So I doing this one particular work, on particular filing on this one date. I select this one, select the group, or if I select audit filing, then if some particular texture, it's a quarterly, monthly, annually, then you can select this one option or round as nearest or closest, then click on save. So one of your basic master is created now. I show you how your services group is added, your service added, and your particular master. You can change some other changes. You can change the name or some other details also. I click on master. After this, there is option customer services mapping. This is the main part of the software. It means whenever I take or generate the particular report, it is make sure that they are connected or mapped in with each other. For example, if I select my party name Amay, then which type of services I required. I select both type of services applicable for this one party. So what type of filing I am doing or what is services I given to him. I doing audit filing or IT filing. If I select both, then click on apply to all or click on save. I click on save, so this kind of mapping is done, that whenever I take out a print, these type of services automatically come. After this, if you want to set a remark, then you can set a remark as well, or next one option, which is a book series setup. Book series setup means when you take out a particular bill, receipt or anything, I show you which type of things we provided. We give you bill, receipt, quotation, performer invoice, credit note, payment or provisions. These all type of features of bills we provide you. I show you one bill format and I click on this one option. I just modify or set a particular name, book series name, alias what exactly same short form. Then I add what exactly the group or particular name mentioned on particular bill. For example, when I click on any string, I require that my name will be appear, or Lord I just select own. Om will be show when I take out a print. I click on add, so Om will look automatically added. Okay, so I click on save. Through this way I can generate or prepare particular format. Okay, now just exit from this one option. When I completely fill my all complete master detail, I am ready to take out a print. So I show you how. I click on invoice. Right now just make a bill setup. So I show you one bill format. When I click on bill, so I click this one option, click on new. So what I have to do, I just have to select my particular party name, that on which one party I want to generate a bill. I select my party name and look, SAG2OM automatically there. It is actually the particular string what I generated. Then click on show services. So all type of services will automatically there. Services means if I doing audit filing for them, I select audit filing. If I doing IT filing for them, so I take on IT filing, or just click on fill services. So it's automatically there. What I have to do, I just have to mention the amount, like I just mentioned 200 for this one services and 2000 for this one and 500 for this one, and then I click on save. When I click on yes, detail will automatically saved, and when I click on print, so it's give me a particular print of my bill. All things are there, all things like the invoice name I already select SAG OM, then today's date on which date I generate this one bill, my company name, my consign or my party name, or the basic details what I required when I generate the bill. So if I I already told you in particular master that if tax will be applicable, you select that. This is exactly a one what I say dummy kind of format. If you said that no, you follow some other format, so we also doing a changes in format, but for this one purpose you have to send us a mail with attachment of your format, that what exactly format you require. If this one format is able possible to change us, then we definitely change and give your format, what exactly format you required for billing or for your performer invoice. I show you what exactly type of other features we have. Then after this, next one option, which is a payment receipt. You can also generate payment or receipts with the software. Click there, fill the all details, and then you can all easily take out the payment and receipt. Tally. You can also export your ledgers through this one software to Tally, or you can generate all type of reports. Like I show you first customer regarding details. What exactly the closing balance related with your particular customer. You want to check it out, then it show you that your Amai party having this one bill, and there's a short keys are also there. If you take out a print, so just click on print, it generate a bill. You take out this one report in the Word or PDF format, or you show the other details, change auto amount, or all shortcut keys are there. When I click on report, it's also give you the day book, that what exactly work you done today. I done bill, so then I click on bill. It show me bill that on SAG service name I give two bill to same customer, one for the 2000, one for the 2500. If I want to cancel someone, I cancel this one, or if I want to take out a report, so I take out or export this one as a Excel format as well. When I click on Excel, it generate one Excel file for the same type of report. Or if I click on report, so it's give me this one day book bill report. So these are the basic reports features we have. You can also doing some other work like company statement service, your outstanding bills, your service wise bills, your particular wise bills, or some other group wise reports what we mentioned already. So after generating report, there is the option utility. In utility, what you can do, with commission manager, you can calculate your commission calculator. Okay, there is option export, you can directly export or calculate this one thing. Then some other, like there is a option formats. So I show you that what exactly formats we having. Performer invoice, this is exactly a performer invoice format. If you want to change these, then we can change these these formats as well as per your requirement. Or I show you some other formats like credit note. So this is exactly the credit note format. I already told you that we easily change this one, but if it is possible that time. I show you the receipt report. This is exactly the receipt what we generated. Okay, so these are the all format what we give you. You can take a complete backup of your software, take a or restore the same. Normal key manual is there. I mean, by using this one key manual, you easily know the shortcut key, that if you want to add some group, then what to do, if you add some new record, then what to do. These are the shortcut keys. Or this is all about us. We give you new one option, which is an import from Genius. Yes, by using this one software, I told you that if you already have a data in Genius, which is already our big one software, you can easily import your data from Genius to our software. So that's all about of our software, which is a smart bill software. For more detail, you can call us on our number 0141 4072 or you can send us a mail on info@saginfotech.com. So that's all about our software smart bill. I'm waiting for your call. Have a nice day. Good day.